Every method is used to check if every item in a given array passes a given criteria. I have created a simple example of how to use every method. Let's examine it step by step. First of all, we have an array that we are going to test using every method. We are required to pass a function as its first argument. This function will receive currently iterating name as its first parameter. It will either be Jim, Dwight, or Pam. This function should return true or false. This function is going to be called up to 3 times. If all 3 iterations return true, then the result of our every method will be true. If at least one iteration returns false, then the result of our every method call will be false. In this example, the return of every method is true because all 3 names in our array are more than 2 characters long. If we change the testing name length to 4, then the result of every method will be false, because Jim and Pam names are 3 characters long, and we are checking if all given names are more than 4 characters long. It prints out only is Jim name long enough, because Jim returned false, and there is no need to check if Dwight or Pam would return true. You should use every method whenever you have a list of items and want to test if all of them pass a given criteria.